Hello class, this is the first of, well actually you have a choice of 3 projects for this semester. And, these are not optional, you actually just pick one of them. This is one called System of Inequalities, and basically all it is you just make up your own problem. We're going to follow the steps in the problem here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab 3 inequalities, and I would prefer that you make up one your own, but let's let the first one be something like, I don't know, let's say x is greater than 0. There's one. And then let's do another one. How about y is less than 3. Let's talk about that. Just notice that I have a double overlap region, and we're going to change the color in a minute. And then let's let the third inequality, let's see, that be something like y is less than x. Okay. All right. So what I'm looking for is any area that is triple shaded. That's what I'm looking for. So in order to do that, I'm going to make them the same color. So I'm going to click on the gear. That's what it is, and I can choose my color here. I'm going to make all of them blue. And when I make them blue, the area that is the darkest, all I want to do is just pick any point from that area. Any point for that area. First, let's hit done once we've changed the color. Pick any point from this area that you can identify. Here's 1, 3, 0. And we're going to just find a point and we're going to label it. So I'm going to type 3, 0. And make sure that that point is in the darkest area. And if you want to change the color point, you can just click on a cogwheel, select the color. I'm going to pick something that stands out a little bit. You can also make the point bigger if you want. I believe if I change this 9 to a 15, yeah, then that makes the point bigger where I can't miss it. All right, so once we do that, let's go ahead and make sure we click on it where it says label. Okay, hit a point, and we're going to write a solution statement. And I have the solutions there. The point, oops, I forgot something. Let's make a solution statement. In order to make a solution statement, we need to add a note. When we add a note, make sure you got the quotes there. Then you can type the point. And what point was it? 3, 0. Don't forget your parentheses. Is a solution to the system where, and you're going to basically just write these 3 parts of the 0 of the system. X is greater than 0, comma, y is less than 3, and y is less than x. Now, of course, this is a system I came up with, but you can get a system. You can find any system of inequalities from the textbook, or that you see on the web, or from one of the videos. There are many places, but I want, either way, I want you to make it up. I don't want it. I don't want you to I don't want you to be stressed about it. Just make up a system and make sure that there's a triple shaded region that you can pick a point out of. Okay, so that's it. All I want you to do next is to click on where it says share graph, and you'll see that there's a link there. You can copy that link, and then you can just send it to me in the email, okay? Or you can paste it in Google Classroom. Actually, I'm going to create a assignment in Google Classroom where you can just paste your project link, and that's pretty much it. That's all it is. So that's one of your projects. All right, and all you got to do is just choose one, and that's it.